Friends, here the question is, an object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeters. Nothing but object distance is equal to 20 centimeters from a convex mirror. Here they had given that it is a convex mirror. An object is placed in front of convex mirror at a distance of 20 centimeters. Now focal length is 25 centimeters. F is equal to 25 centimeters. We have to find image distance, magnification, height of the image, and they had given that height of the object is 10 centimeters. Now we have to find this all, and we have to draw the ray diagram, and we have to write the nature of the image. This question can be asked for 4 marks in the examinations. So now we will solve this question. Now first we have to write according to sign conventions. We don't know that whether these are in positive values or negative values. So first we have to check according to the sign conventions. Then we will know what are positive and what will be negative. Now according to sign conventions, object distance is equals to 20 centimeters. As we know that object distance in convex mirror will be always negative, so we have to take it as negative. Focal length 25 centimeters. We know that focal length in convex mirror according to sign conventions will be positive, so we have to take plus. Now height of the object. Here they had given that height of the object is 10 centimeters. We know that height of the object in the convex mirror according to sign conventions will be positive, so we have to take positive plus positive sign. Now first we have to find image distance. Image distance nothing but V. Now we know that in my previous video I had explained the derivation of Mirror's formulae, and I derived the formula of Mirror's formulae. That is, we know that the formula of Mirror's formulae is 1 by F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. This is the formula. Now we have to find the image distance. Now we have to take 1 by V to the left hand side, and we have to transpose 1 by F to the right hand side. Then it will become as employs 1 by V is equals to 1 by V is transposed to the left hand side. 1 by V is equals to 1 by F. It is transported to the right hand side minus 1 by U. Now it will form like this. Now here 1 by V as this equal to 1 by F. Here focal length we know that 25 centimeters. 25 minus 1 by U. Here the object distance is minus 20 centimeters. Now 1 by V is equals to 1 by 25 minus 1 by minus 20. Now minus into minus will become as plus. Then we can write 1 by 25 plus 1 by 20, and if we take LCM, the LCM of 25 and 20 is 100, and 25 4s 100, 4 ones 4, 4 plus 20 5s 100, 5 ones 5 is equals to 9 by 100. We got 9 by 100. 1 by V is equals to 9 by 100. Now we have to find out the value of V. Now if we take V is equals to, this 1 will be transposed to the right hand side, then it will become as 9 by 100 will become as 100 by 9. Now if we divide 100 by 9, let us see what is the answer. 100 by 9. 9 ones 9, 1. 9 ones 9, 1. 0.0. 9 ones 9. Again here 1. Here we got 11.1. So we can write V is equals to 11.1 to the approximate centimeters. Now here we got image distance is equals to 11.1 centimeters. Now coming to magnification. we know that magnification, in the previous video you can see that I have also derived the formula of magnification, and the formula of magnification is equals to height of the image by height of the object, nothing but we can also write it as minus v by u. Here minus v is nothing but minus 11.1. Here v is 11.1 and minus v is minus 11.1 by u is minus 20. Minus minus gets cancelled. In the place of 11.1 we can also write 100 by 9. So we can write 100 by 9 into 1 by 20 directly. 21s, 25s. If we divide 5 by 9, it will come as 0.55. And this is the magnification. Here we also found magnification. Now the remaining are height of the image. Now we have to find height of the image. Let us find height of the image. We know that in the magnification, m is equals to hi by ho. Height of the image by height of the object, that is magnification. Employs magnification, we got 0.55 is equals to hi by. In the question they had given that height of the object is 10 centimeters, so we can write 10 centimeters here. Now if we simplify this, we will get height of the image is equals to 5.5 centimeters. Now if we multiply 10 with 0.55, we will get 5.5 centimeters. Now we also found height of the image. Almost 70% of the problem had completed. Now we have to draw the ray diagram, and we have to also find nature of the image. Now if we draw the ray diagram roughly, in the question they had said that it is a convex mirror. Now first we have to draw an convex mirror. Friends, don't draw in examination like this. Here just I am drawing roughly. You can use a compass to draw actually. Now this is the convex mirror. Now this is the principal axis, this is the pole, this is the focal point, and this is the center of curvature. Now this is convex mirror. Now they had said that an object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeters. Now from the mirror to the object, it is a distance of 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters. Here we will take the object as AB for example. Now next, and they had said that the focal length is 25 centimeters, means here the length is 25 centimeters. Now an incident ray, the first incident ray is hitting the convex mirror, and the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis. Now the reflected ray is moving in this path like this. Now coming to the second incident ray, it is hitting the pole directly and it is reflecting back in this path. These are the two incident rays. Now if we extend this incident rays, the first incident ray we can join it to the focal point. Now the second incident ray, draw here. Now here the image is formed. The image is virtual and erect. This is image. You can write image as A dash B dash, and the object is AB. Now we can say this is the ray diagram for the question. Now if we write the nature of the image, friends, actually in examinations they will ask to write the nature of the image. We will simply write the image is erect and it is virtual, but we have to not write like that. There are 4 characteristics of image. They are: number 1, location; number 2, orientation; Number 3, size. Location, orientation, size and type. These are the 4 characteristics of image. Now we have to write detailedly about this. Now first, location. We can observe that the image is formed between focal point and pole. We can write in this way, or we can also write in another way, like image is formed at a distance of 11.2 centimeters in front of the mirror. The 11.2 centimeters, 11.1 or 11.2 we had got in the problem. 11.1 centimeters. The image is formed at a distance of 11.2 centimeters in front of the mirror. We can write for location. For orientation, we have to write whether the image is erect or inverted. As here the image is erect, here we have to write image is erect. Here we can write image is formed between F and P, or image formed at a distance of 11.1 centimeters in front of the mirror. Now next, size. The size of the image is less than the size of the object, so we can write it is as diminished image. Now next, type. Type means we have to write whether the image is virtual or real. Here we can see that image is virtual, so we can write virtual image is formed. Now we had completed the problem. Now this is the process of solving a problem in physics. Many students will think that the problems in the physics are difficult, but we can solve simply. Do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So friends, until now I had uploaded the videos which are related to the subjects such as mathematics, physics, biological science and chemistry. So from now onwards I will upload the videos which are related to the languages such as Telugu, Hindi and English. So please watch the video and please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.